Bitcoin continues to consolidate around the moving averages. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Bitcoin market has shown itself to be rather uh, lackluster again during the early hours on Thursday, as we see the 200-day EMA and the 50-day EMA act as a uh, magnet for price, if you will. So, with that being said, I think you have to look at this through the prism of a market that will continue to be very noisy, very choppy, but I also suspect that it is a market that is trying to build up the necessary momentum to eventually make a move. Keep in mind that these moves in Bitcoin are essentially a holding pattern, but I do think longer term traders are starting to look at this through the prism of perhaps buying um, little bits and pieces, maybe doing a little dollar cost averaging, if you will, as this is a market that clearly has its followers, its true believers. And with the general markets dealing with so much uncertainty, it's not a huge surprise to see that something as volatile as Bitcoin is struggling a bit. Nonetheless, I think this is a scenario where traders are going to fall into a couple of different camps. There will be those who are simply ignoring the market, and there will be those who are building a position for a longer term move. I suspect that as soon as we get some type of resolution to the trade tariffs, Bitcoin will take off, just if for no other reason than a simple relief rally. Right now, though, we are stuck in a range between $75,000 on the bottom and $90,000 on the top, with the market being just a bit over the midline area. So we're slightly leaning to the upside, but ever so slightly. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.